Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video we are going to start exploring the user side of the Laravel e-commerce application that we are contributing to and exploring the features. So let's just log in, or let's just check the guest pages. So here I am not logged into the application, and I can see everything. We added these from the admin panel as we saw, and these are not clickable. Beauty and personal care, I guess these are categories. Beauty and personal care, you can see these are categories, and the category I think that has the product as displayed. So sports and entertainment, you can see we have one product here with the price and stuff like that. I think we can see the details of the product. This is the detail page, and these are categories. We can see subcategories. We are on this product, on this sports and entertainment product, and it's using slug to display that. Interesting. And we can view the details, I guess. Okay, it's not gonna go anywhere from here. And we have add to cart, and we have the like button. Obviously we will have to log in, so let's just log into the application. Do we have any account? Let's see. Let's use Factfiller to log in. I'm gonna create an account, user@gmail.com. Phone number is that, password is password. So let's register an account. I'm gonna submit the form. Okay. We have some strong validation on the form. So let's use, this should not have this should be 11 digits, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, and password, let's do it has at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and special character. So let's create a password from this email. One uppercase, one number, and one special character is already there, so I'm gonna paste that here, and let's register an account. Oh my god, one lowercase, one number, and one special character. At the right is not a special character. Let's add a hash to it. I'm gonna fill in again and register again. I think we need to check the form. Like we have one uppercase, which is you, one number, lowercase or more than one special character, and this should work, but it is not working. Must contain at least one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and special character. We need to check the controller. Let's go to register controller, and password minimum add, and it's using regex. I think, oh, it's showing this message. I think I should comment this for now. I'm gonna fill in the user@gmail.com and register, and it is successful. Now we have to log in. So user@gmail.com, and password is this one, and we are redirected to the dashboard. Okay, so let's add an item to the, okay, we have profile. We can choose an image, we can change the details, and it's been updated. This is our name, we join on that. We have profile, orders, address, blah blah blah. Let's add an item to the cart, and let's see how the payment system and stuff like that are integrated. So I'm gonna add this to cart. Okay, product add to cart successfully. We have one item in the cart, and if I click on the cart, we have cart and checkout. Let's go to cart. We have one item. If I go to home, the price here is 875, one quantity in total is this. And if we look here, that's the price. Maybe this is a discount on it. And if I want to check out, let's see how it's gonna do it. We have P shipping after order. We have 1000, and shipping 200. Order total is, what is this? Pre-shipping after order. Okay, I think like you can, if the order detail, if the order total price is maybe more than 1000, then the shipping is free. Maybe that's what it means. And we can put in the details of the delivery. I'm gonna use Factfiller. In the flash is where I can fill something, and use this site is protected by captcha, and the privacy terms apply. Continue. Now review and pay. Okay, name, blah blah blah. We have bank transfer, cash on delivery, Stripe. Let's see. We can put in the card details. Have we configured the Stripe Let's use fake filler to fill in the details and check out with Stripe. It's loading, and API key is missing. Okay, that is interesting. um, and what about bank transfer? Enter the transaction number. Okay, this is the account number to which we have to send this. And pay with bank, this is the pay with bank transfer. These are the account details to which we will have to send that amount and put in that number right here. Okay, check out with bank transfer. Okay, seems like it's successful. Payment status is unpaid. Maybe admin have to check it. Once it's done, it's gonna um, make it successful and the order will be delivered. And these are the information that I uh, provided there. We have the wish list. Let's add an item to wish list. I'm gonna come here, add to wish list, and it's again using product ID instead of slug or something like that. But for now, you can see, let's check the compare as well. I'm gonna click on compare, and okay, we have one item in compare. Compare. Let's see what's here. I guess it's the same listing. We have add to cart and in the listing, in stock, availability, add to cart, etc. And we have the dashboard, all orders, completed orders, cancel orders, pending orders, etc., etc. Let's do one thing. Let's go to the admin and complete the transaction that we made, the order, I mean. So let's log into the admin panel. Zaman at gmail.com. Password is password, and we have one pending order. So let's go to manage orders, pending orders. Okay, we have one unpaid order, and it's in pending. So how can I complete it? We have transactions. We have one pending order status, and payment is unpaid, and I can delete this after confirmation. But how can I? We have customer list. Okay, manage orders, pending orders, delivered, progress, all orders. Okay, from here I can make it fair, but it should be in the pending, right? To so that we can okay, interesting. I think this unfair and fair should be in the pending so that we can make it fair. From all products, here should be the products that are delivered, and all of these products should be right here, right? Because this is all order. The pending orders should go there. Maybe there is some logic issue here, but let's say we change the status to in progress. We should now see it right here. You can see pending is on empty now, and once it's in the progress, we can make it delivered. We can set the status to be paid, blade status. Okay, and let's say delivered, and we should now see it in the delivered. On the dashboard we will have delivered orders to, no pending, no cancellation, total earning is 0, total products is 1, total customers 2, total categories 5, total brands, total transactions, total blogs, total subscribers, etc., total system user. But now this has an issue. Total earning is 0. Why is that? We already have made one transaction, and okay, order status is still pending. Payment is what? The order has been paid and delivered. But if you look at the transaction, its order status is pending. And let's see the user side. Order is delivered, paid, meaning successful, right? And we have the order ID, and that's it. This is all in the user side and admin side. So now let's check the other payment method. Let's add to cart and check out. Next, okay, we have to the site is, I think this is like the you agree with our terms and condition, blah blah blah. Now the payment, let's cash on delivery. Cash on delivery. Cash on delivery basically means you will pay the amount of the product while you get the item delivered to you. Cash on delivery. Okay, one is unpaid and one is paid. And if we look here, we have two transactions. The order of both of them are status is pending. We have the user customer email. It says customer email, but I think showing the first name and last name. You can see this is the first name and last name, and payment status. So I think we should get started on this. First of all, the issues I found, I think maybe we can see the full details of the product from here, and here on the dashboard. I think this is seems to be okay. Our total orders to one completed. Maybe we can add total spending, and here we have a lot of work to do, like this logic is not properly configured. The total transactions are not configured along with the products, like the orders. Here we have an issue, like we have the paid and unpaid on all products, but we do not have them on the pending. Like I cannot change the status from here, or maybe this should be somehow automatic, right? Like the product, maybe it's not going to be automatic, but these are the things that we're going to do here, like adding all these options to the rest of the, and the transactions should be connected to these, so that when you update the status, it should get updated in the transactions as well. So first of all, let's get started with this. I'm going to go to this and let's change the email. Let's go to admin.php and transactions. So here we have the managed transactions, and transactions are managed, I guess, inside here. So we have all transactions, and then pending transactions, progress, blah blah blah. Let's go to all transactions. Okay, something is commented. Delete export to PDF. Wow. I think this should be an interesting feature, but also we have the start date, end date. Maybe this is the filtration. Then we have this is a checkbox, and it's hidden anyway. So past, we have the order as order. We are all on all orders on this tab. Okay, we do have this thing, pending, delivered, blah blah blah. So what we have to do is, first of all, I think I should do this one first. Go to a transaction, admin/transaction, and changes. Okay, let's go back. Transactions method, and here we have the customer email transaction ID, and instead of name, it should be email, and that's it. Then we have the status and etc. Now we should have an email here, and I can delete a transaction. Why should I delete the transaction? I think we should remove this feature, deleting a transaction, because that's already connected to the order, right? And you are gonna delete it. Let's comment this action, and I think we should have this amount should be displayed in a proper display, like the proper method of displaying. We have to pass the number of decimals that we want to show in the second parameter, and there you go. Now from now on, we are gonna manage these things in the next video. Like we have the actions updating in the status update feature here, but we do not have in other pages, so that's what we are going to add in the next video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.